Good afternoon, beautiful people. My name is Liam. Welcome back to Young Money Investing. Today, for your viewing pleasure, I am bringing you another trading recap from this morning. It is Tuesday, May 23rd, 2023. Put on a trade on the Nasdaq. I haven't traded the Nasdaq for a while. Just really wasn't liking price action too much. It was very choppy. I was finding it very difficult to find good setups. So I left it alone for probably about 2 weeks or so. And then today spotted a pretty good setup, was able to get in, execute, get my winner, and get out. So if you enjoy this content, please go down and smash that like button for me. Show me a little bit of love and, trying to grow my subscriber base. So go ahead, go do that. I'll give you a second. And now that you have gone and done that, let's go ahead and jump into the trade. Alrighty, so I've got the Nasdaq pulled up here. We are looking at a 15-minute time frame. I generally scalp the Nasdaq on a 5-minute time frame, but I kind of broadened it to a 15-minute for this trade specifically. So right about here, this green candle is the 6:30 open. You can see that we were kind of playing around with VWAP, which is this orange looking line right here. Did not take this first rejection off of it. That was a little soon for me. Kind of gave it a little bit more time to play out, and you'll notice that we kind of form this upward kind of sloping trend line, and we have this level right here. That price action is kind of continuously rejecting off. So we kind of have this ascending triangle setup. Generally, when you have a large down move like this, you see this down move actually started yesterday, proceeded all the way into the open today. Price action moved up, kept rejecting off of this area, and so I actually entered on the break of this trend line right at 13,861.25. Pretty decent entry. It could have been a little bit better. I could have set it right at VWAP or even right at this line, but I really had no way of knowing that this trend line was going to break. So I'm happy with that entry. Really solid rejection off of VWAP, breaking out of this ascending triangle, and then we got this very large move down. Pretty solid. Took my take profit at 786 for about 75 points. I did profit $150 on this trade, and ultimately it did continue to move lower all the way down to, what is the low on this candle? 13,711. So 711, I got out at 786. Yeah, so ultimately I took about half of the total move here. There's always a little bit of buyer's remorse when you realize that you could have held it and you could have doubled your money. But at the end of the day, this was a solid place for me to take profit. We're moving into this gray zone, which is an imbalance area on a higher time frame, meaning price action really just blew straight through it in a very, very strong directional move. And I didn't know exactly how low we were going to go. So I actually found the exit here. You see this little pullback, and then if we draw a fib from here down to the low, you will see we got to move back up to the 3.8 retracement, and then my exit was pretty much right there on the retest of the low. So was originally a little lower. It was about 770, I want to say, somewhere in that vicinity, and then I moved it up after that retracement because it was only a 0.38 retracement. I wasn't sure how much further this move was going to go, and I thought, hey, let me just take $150. Is it worth, risking my whole trade for an extra $30? Not really. And ultimately, I could have held it for another 150, but this was a solid trade. I had risk to reward of 3, which is really solid for a day trade. I generally look for 2.5 or better, and 3 is pretty much the standard for me. So really solid trade, quality setup, quality execution, and I got the win. So I went in. If you guys have been following me for a while, you know that when I trade, I like to jump in there, get one trade, one winner, and just be done for the day. So I was able to do that today. Really happy with the way this played out, and it just goes to show you that sometimes you have to step away from a while. Like I said, the Nasdaq was not giving me good entries for a couple weeks there, and I didn't force the issue. I wasn't trying to take bad trades. I wasn't trying to make the market do what I wanted to do. I said, you know what? Nasdaq can do whatever it wants. I'm going to go trade crude oil. I'm going to go trade gold. And that's why you have to be able to trade multiple markets, or at least just step away and not keep forcing trading. So that's enough rambling for me. Thank you guys for watching. Please go down and smash that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm, and I am trying to grow this channel, so I would appreciate any help that you guys could throw my way. I hope you guys have a fantastic rest of the week and you smash all your trading goals and make bucket loads of money. And I will see you all next time. Peace out, homies.